Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to today's video. We're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. Today we're gonna be doing makeup. As you know, I am a full color enthusiast. Okay, all my eyeshadow looks are usually some loud color, maybe 2, maybe 7, you know, and what I don't do is neutrals, what I don't do is brown. However, I did think, well, maybe if I like, you know, step the brown up and not try to do like soft brown, still try to go like full glam, like cut crease, realness, but just using shades of brown and gold and silver maybe, then maybe I'll find something that's like a little bit more exciting. So yes, that's what we're about to do today. I want to do a full glam, you know, full creative look, but only using shades of brown. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Come a little closer so y'all can see. Okay, so yes, we are going to get right up into it. Like, you see, I ain't wasting no time, okay? I'm gonna be using my little James Charles palette or whatever, and we're gonna, although this is, like, has been my favorite palette lately, I did really want to get into this dark brown color, and then I also wanted to get into this too. So honestly, we're probably just gonna be using a lot of the little browns and neutral shades up in here. With that being said, I'm gonna go into this shade here in the top corner. It's called T, and I'm gonna use T on my brush, and we're just gonna take this and go right into the crease. I've never used this shade before, so I don't know really like what it's giving in terms of the shade of brown. Oh, okay. Okay, I just really expected it to be a little more like true to color. I mean, look at the color in the pan, and look at doesn't it look like this one? Doesn't look like it would be that on my lid right now? Ooh, I don't know about her. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and get this blended out, because that's not what I was expecting it to give. What the hell? James, I need to text James, because maybe this color is defective, girl. Bitch, this is not, y'all saw that, right? Like, you see the shadow in the pan, that is not the same color. If anything, it would be this one, right? But I used this first one. That's not the same color. That is so odd. So what we're not gonna do is that. So I'm thinking I definitely need something warm. So I'm gonna go in with this brown shade here, because it's very like rich and chocolatey brown. And I'm basically gonna take that and go over everything I just did. Whoa, talk about pigment, girl. Oh, she is rich. You know, here we go, because I'm applying these eyeshadows higher than normal. What I tell you, what's my problem? I blend too close to my brows, and look how much space I already got with my brow, and I ain't even blending shit out yet. You've been warned. I want to use this one, but I feel like it's still like a little too dark. I'm gonna skip over this shade, and I'm gonna go in with this shade, and I'm gonna use that on the edges to blend out this dark color. And it's very, oh wow, that's giving me orange. Wait a minute, let me just test this out real quick. Oh, that's giving very orange. I don't think I want that. This palette is just full of surprises today, honestly. James Charles, I think you are on a mission to embarrass me in front of my subscribers, and I'm not appreciating it, okay? Not appreciating it. Okay, so this is the middle shade here. So this is that light one. This is the middle one. I'm gonna go in with that middle shade, and I'm gonna just start applying that towards the edges and trying to like blend it out. Honestly, I need Elvis back. Like, Elvis was the perfect brush for this. And I was talking to somebody in my comments about it, because they were like, and that's how it always works. Like, you know, it goes missing, and then the day that you replace it, you're gonna come waltzing back in, like, hey, what I missed? Like, hey guys, I'm back. After I done just went and replaced her, you know? So I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it some time, because that always happens to me. I'll lose something, I'll go without it, hoping that I find it, then I give up hope and I go ahead and buy a replacement, and then the shit pop right back up. But I think I'm losing hope. I done cleaned my room. I don't know where this brush has disappeared to. I don't understand where it could go. Unblended. Blend it into that brown, so it's giving us very fudgy bottoms. I'm just kidding, that was nasty. Maybe I'll go in with just a smidge of that lighter shade. The first one that I swatched that looked a little orange. Maybe I like going with just a little bit of that on top, just to kind of add a little bit of little bit of warmth and dimension to her. As you see, I damn near done blended it all the way up to my eyebrow, so we're there. I did blend up to the brow, but it is so soft and like blended that it actually looks good. So I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. So since we are going to be cutting the crease today, I do want to make like this inner crease part darker so that there's a lot of contrast between the cut and the shadow, you know. So now what I'm going to do is take that really dark shade here, and I'm going to take it on a little bit of a more fluffier brush, and I'm just going to start to kind of build up the inner crease where we're going to be cutting. And that just might have been a little too much, but okay, we're going for a dark brown look. Okay, I'm down with that. I haven't done one of those. Every time I have tried to attempt to do brown, it ended up being like soft and very neutral and wearable daytime brown. Like, so I do want to do like a dark brown. Ooh, look at that. It's almost like black. Okay, this is getting a little too black. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna take some of that lighter brown shade that we used up here, and I'm just gonna kind of add that back into our crease just to make sure we didn't lose that warmth by adding this dark shade. So yeah, that's pretty much all I really wanted to give in the crease area, you know, something such like that. So now we're gonna go into my favorite part, and that is cutting the crease. Cutting your crease is such a tedious process. Like, I don't know who invented this, and I don't know why I keep trying to make myself do it. So yeah, I'm got my concealer, and I'm just fixing to go in there with my little lip brush or whatever. The last time I did a cut crease, I did like a little moment where it like kind of went and winged out or whatever. This one I'm gonna do full circle, so I want to do like a full circle. Okay, so now that the creases are cut, this is about to get very intricate. I had some ideas of what to do. The really dark color that I put in here, this one here, to deepen up. Ooh, I'm getting artsy. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of that. I'm gonna put it on the outer part of our lid. You know what? Stop. I shouldn't do this color first. Okay, what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go in with this color here. It's like a metallic copper. It kind of matches what we got going on, and you're gonna see that once I put it on. But I'm gonna take this metallic copper shade, and I'm gonna put that on the outer part of our lid, which I can definitely use a bigger brush for. I don't know why I'm using this little ass brush. Okay, so I'm gonna take that color, and I'm going to put that on the outer part of our lid. And listen, here I was up here trying to like keep this all brown and everything. I mean, this is copper is a type of brown, is it not? Is it not? I mean, there's some loopholes here. And I'm also going to put the same copper into the inside. Okay, and notice that I'm leaving the middle empty. I'm just leaving it alone. We will get there, but we're not there yet. So now I'm gonna go in with that darker shade, just a little bit, and I'm going to start to just darken the edges of that glitter. And I'm actually gonna take that dark color and also darken the inside as well, which I feel like we're definitely breaking some of the makeup rules, okay, putting the dark color on the inner corner of the eye, but you know, this is my world, you're just living in it. Honestly, truly. Okay, so it is giving very much orange, but I assure you it is copper, but that's okay. So now in the middle, so I have like a dark gold and then I have a light gold. Definitely think I'm gonna go with the light gold. Let's see what it's giving. Maybe I'll mix the two. First gonna go in with the darker gold and put that in the middle. I'm also like, you know, blending obviously on top of the center, but then I'm taking it just a little bit over that copper shade because I feel like bringing the gold into the copper puts it back in the brown field. I feel like it was going very orange, so I'm just adding a little bit more brown with the gold onto the copper. You feel what I'm saying? So this was the gold that I just used. I'm gonna go in with this gold, and I'm gonna put that in the middle over top because it's brighter. So I'm putting the brightest gold in the center. and all the way up to our new crease. What I'm gonna do, going with yet another eyeshadow. What is this? Okay, wait. So far we've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we use this one and this one. So that's 6 eyeshadows. I'm gonna go in with just one more, and it's gonna be this one right here. And I just really wanna like brighten up the center of like our glitter ombre lid. So I'm gonna take that and I'm just placing it like right in the middle, just to like really brighten up the center. Okay, so now that the top of the eyelids are pretty much done, we're gonna go ahead and apply our liner, lash, mascara, come back, do the bottom lash line, you know, do our highlight, and then pull everything together with a lip, and we'll be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom lash line. Y'all already know what it is. I'm gonna use this one here and just do, you know, the bottom half of our lash line. And since we didn't do any liner, I am gonna just kind of like connect the bottom lash line to the outer corner there, so it's just gonna be like one all around smoky type of look, you know. Ooh, there we go, adding some drama. Yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with highlighter. For this look, I'm gonna go in with my Molten Chrome highlighter, and this is in the Molten Gold. Sorry if it seems like I'm rushing through it. Like, I honestly am just excited to get a lip on, so like that's why I'm just like, you know, all this stuff we can hurry up and get to the good part. Ooh, yes, give me like real subtleties. I like it. Now we have made it to the fun part, the lip. Okay, and then for the lips, we're gonna go ahead and line our lips with Nutmeg from NYX, and then I'm gonna go in with my favorite lipstick. This is a Maybelline matte lipstick, Nude Embrace, giving very much nude tease, and I'm gonna put that in the middle. I don't want to go over my lip liner, which I almost kind of did, so I'm gonna reapply that over top of the lipstick to make sure it really is showing. Okay, and then the final thing that I'm gonna do is take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. It's in the shade Fenty Glow, but it's called Gloss Bomb. I thought the shade was called Gloss Bomb, but I guess all the glosses are called Gloss Bombs. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. And y'all, I think the look is served. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. It's just, I'm already laughing because I remember we started the video talking about how we were gonna do browns and we were gonna stay neutral and use like neutral colors, but just play with browns, but make it glam, but still stay in browns. And I just gave like a whole like ombre look. Honestly, this is giving more orange than it is brown and copper. But hey, like it turned out good nonetheless. I love this lip. Like, oh my god, this is so pretty. I like this highlight on me. I like the eye. I like the brown. Like, honestly, this is the type of brown I can get jiggy with. Like, I always talk about how I don't do brown looks. I don't like brown on me. I don't like gold on me. But like a look like this, oh yeah. But anyways, yeah, that took long enough. Comment down below, let me know what you want to see here on this channel. Also, let me know if you like this look, if you like me doing cut creases, because I'm like feeling like, okay, so my thing with cut creases is love-hate. I love the way they look. I always do them well. However, I hate doing them. So I'm figuring if I just start to do them more often, I'll start to like doing them, and then that way I can have 2 wins. It's something that I start to like to do, and it's something that I do well. So yeah, let me know. Do you guys like cut creases? If you do, comment down below. If you don't, comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you want to see here on this channel. And more importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of this TylorWithAnO goodness. And I will catch you all on my next video. Peace. Well, this lip is so cute. Do I want to add a wing after the fact? Like, I just really want to see what it looks like with a wing. No, I feel like with browns, you don't do a wing. Like, browns are supposed to give you that, like, real sultry, like, faded, smoky, I don't even know what I'm talking about, but you feel me. You feel me.